Hey everyone, welcome to the course. Now, before we get into how to write the formulas, how to do all the codes and all that kind of stuff and all the details, I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of exactly what auto sums and count functions are. Okay, so we're going to be working with this first window here for our demo. So let me zoom in. Oops. Okay, so zoom in. All right. Now, we have 10 frames here. So if you're familiar with bowling, you get 10 shots or 10 shots or something like that. I'm not too sure, right? And you got to knock down the pins. Now, looking at this, just looking at it, what's the total? Right? It's quite hard to see. You'd have to look at them one by one. Now, if you're familiar with Excel, which you should be, in order to do this course, you should have a basic understanding of how to do a sum, like 1 plus 1, in a cell. Right? We can do something called the sum function, which adds up everything in a range of cells. Enter, and we're done. That's how quick it is. This formula is adding up everything in this range of cells, right? Now, it's more than just summing up values. You can also do average, all right? Select the range, enter, done. Count, we're gonna skip for a second. Then we got max, which tells me what is the maximum number in that range, right? So what you're able to do with these functions is really get a lot of information out of a lot of data. Right now, we're only looking at about 10 rows. What if you had 100? What if you had 1,000? What if in some cases you do get this? What if you had 100 rows, right? How do you add them all up? You're not going to be getting your calculator, right? Or doing equals this plus this plus this and so on, because that's just ridiculous, right? So that's why you got the auto sum functions, which helps you just collect the data really, really easily. And one of the other ones I'll be teaching you in more detail is the count function as well. Now what the count function does is it just tells me how many entries do I have, right? So do count and we add all these numbers and we press enter. And that tells me I have 10 entries. This is really great when someone's giving you information and you need to have an idea of how much data has this person given me. You do a count function and it tells you straight away. You can do it in a matter of seconds. Very, very powerful stuff. So let's extend that formula like so. And there you have it. So I hope that quickly explains what the auto sum functions are and what the count functions are. There are more than this particular type of count function, which I will be teaching you. All right, so I hope you guys are excited, just like me, and I'll see you guys soon.